Today started off calmly, coffee, charts, a couple of notes with plans for the day. I decided not to rush, just to see what the market was doing and choose one or two working methods. I turned on the recording to show how I do my morning analysis. This will not be a show, but a regular work session. If you're interested in seeing trading without all the fuss and bother, this video is for you. Before you start working with a strategy, it is important to set up your account correctly. I'll do that now, and you can simply repeat my settings. I'll use a candlestick chart type in combination with a 1 minute time frame. Now let's open the indicators section and select the moving average and stochastic oscillator. For the moving average indicator, I'll set the period to 8 and leave the line type as SMA. In the indicator style settings, I'll change the line color to turquoise. Now let's adjust the stochastic oscillator settings. The K period will be 10 and the rest of the parameters remain unchanged. In the style settings, the K period line color will be turquoise and the D period will be blue. I'll make level 80 green and 20 red. That completes the settings. Now I will tell you in detail how this strategy works if you want to look at the market with confidence without unnecessary panic and chaos. Check out my Telegram channel. There you will find daily analytics and useful reviews in a confident format. To register for the club, follow the link below this video, subscribe to the channel, and send me a private message. I respond to everyone personally. I'll start working with the situation. The trade time will be 2 minutes. I'll start with $300. My prediction is that the price will go down, so I press the red button to open the trade. Ready? Now let's take a closer look at the situation. Look at the price chart crossing the moving average line. This is the main trigger. There was an uptrend in the market for a long time. The price was rising and the moving average line was moving below the price chart. Now the price has started to fall and has crossed the indicator line. This means that a downtrend has begun in the market and it's possible to make profits. But it's too early to open a trade. You need to wait until the stochastic oscillator confirms the reliability of the situation. The stochastic oscillator lines were above the 80 level and the price was rising. As soon as the indicator lines cross the level 80, you can open a trade. Both indicators point to a price decline, and I'm sure that a downtrend has begun. As you can see, the strategy is as simple as possible. 2 indicators and minimal analysis. Later, I'll tell you about the rules for working with the strategy. Don't miss them. The trade was profitable and the price continued to fall. And now my capital has reached $9,655. Let's continue working. I'm already looking for the next situation. I think that in this situation, it will be possible to increase the capital even further. We will leave the trade amount unchanged and open a trade for a price decrease. As you can see, the situation is similar to the previous one. The upward trend has ended and the price has started to decline. It has already crossed the moving average line and is below it. The stochastic oscillator indicator lines have also crossed the level 80 and are pointing downwards. The situation has developed and I have a great opportunity to increase my capital. When working with this strategy, it is important to open trades only when both indicators point to the same trend. If the indicators contradict each other, you cannot open a trade, as this situation is not reliable. It is important that the price chart crosses the moving average line, as this is the main trigger indicating a trend reversal. A similar rule applies to the stochastic oscillator. At the beginning of a price decline, the indicator lines should cross the level 80 from top to bottom, and in an uptrend, the level 20 from bottom to top. It is the intersection of the indicator lines with one of the boundaries that indicates a trend change. The price continued to decline and my capital is now $9,931. This is the second profitable trade in a row. There are still a couple of trades ahead. So let's continue. The trade amount remains unchanged at $300. I also opened a trade on a price decline. This is the third similar situation. I see that both indicators point to a price decrease. Let me remind you that the strategy works for both price increase and decrease. Also, I want to give you some advice that will help you in your future work. Set goals for yourself. Don't work just for the sake of it or out of idleness. You should always clearly follow your goals and work plan. Only by achieving certain goals will you learn to work effectively. In trading, self-control and the right approach to work are important. Don't set unrealistic goals for yourself. Set simple ones, such as earning a small amount per session or per week. Achieving such goals will not be difficult, but it will motivate you to continue working. Bingo! The trade is profitable. Now the account balance is $10,207. Let's find another situation and open the last trade. I think I made the right choice in taking this situation into work. An upward trend has begun in the market, as the indicators have suggested to me. After a long decline, the price began to rise. It is precisely these reliable situations that I recommend looking for and taking into work. Now, all I have to do is wait for the trade to end. Yes friends, 4 out of 4 trades are profitable. I see that the account now has $10,483. Today's trading session has once again shown that success in trading is not based on luck, but on strategy and discipline. I worked calmly, without rushing, choosing only strong entry points, and the results turned out exactly as I had planned. If you want to achieve the same, start with the basics. Review the video, understand each step, write down the key rules for yourself, and practice. Trading is a process in which those who know how to wait win. Don't rush, don't take unnecessary risks, and you'll see your deposits start to grow. Leave your comments and tell me what you think about the strategy.